Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great. In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 common relationship mistakes that nearly 90% of couples make, and, more importantly, how you can avoid them. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Expecting your partner to read your mind. Many couples assume their partner should just know what they feel or need. The truth is, clear and honest communication is the only way to build understanding. Say what you feel, say what you need, and do it with kindness. Mistake number 2. Avoiding difficult conversations. Problems don't disappear just because we ignore them. When you address issues early, calmly, and respectfully, you prevent them from growing into resentment. Mistake number 3. Taking each other for granted. Over time, many couples stop expressing appreciation. A simple thank you, a compliment, or acknowledging small efforts keeps the emotional connection alive. Mistake number 4. Comparing your relationship to others. Every couple has a unique dynamic, and comparing yourself to social media or other people's lives creates unnecessary pressure. Focus on improving your relationship, not matching someone else's. Mistake number 5. Poor listening. Many people listen only to respond, not to understand. When you give your partner your full attention, you create safety and trust. Mistake number 6. Letting stress from outside come between you. Work, finances, or personal struggles can spill over into the relationship. Instead, support each other and tackle outside challenges as a team. Mistake number 7. Expecting perfection. No one is perfect, and no relationship is flawless. Accepting each other's humanity reduces conflict and increases compassion. Mistake number 8. Not spending quality time together. Life gets busy, but relationships need intentional time. Even a few minutes of meaningful connection each day can strengthen your bond. Mistake number 9. Trying to win arguments. In healthy relationships, it's not about winning, it's about understanding. When you shift from competition to cooperation, conflicts become opportunities for growth. Mistake number 10. Neglecting emotional and physical intimacy. Intimacy isn't just about closeness, it's about trust, comfort, and vulnerability. Make time to reconnect, both emotionally and physically, to keep your relationship strong. Avoiding these mistakes takes awareness, effort, and patience, but the reward is a deeper, healthier, and more fulfilling relationship. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe and join me next time. Take care, and see you soon.